Hello everyone, welcome to MojoCAD, where we are looking at the series of commands in solidworks. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at the text here. So you click on the sketch, then it's just right here between the trim entity and the ellipse, this one here. So for you to use the text, you need like a sketch or some kind of like a location. How then we are going to see. So assuming I choose my line, then I'll have to locate where it should be. Now take the front, so having made this line, I can use it as a construction line. Then I'll come and say text. So if I say text, then where we have the curves, I'll select this. Then I'll text say dogs. So I've written dogs food here, you can all see. So I'll come and uncheck this, then I can do more editing. Say I want a bigger size, then I can use this and have something like so. Because of the size of the line, all the other text have been eliminated, so it should be moderate. So I'll leave it at that level like that. Then if I have such a line, I can use it for extrusion. Say if I'm to 3D print something like a signpost, then I can extrude this to show the client how the thing will look like. And give it like 3 millimeters of extrusion, then say okay. So I have dog's food here, you see, I have dog's food here. So if I have something like that, then you can set to normal, so it will follow the line. Because the line was going up, it has also gone up like that. However, if I decide to change, and I make it go like this, still I write the same thing. This time around I'll select this and text still. Dog's food here like that. So I can flip the flow of the words like that, or take it there like that, or I put it under, then I flip like that. So it's under the line, flipped, coming from the other side, coming from the right to the left. Or I can put it on top, then I flip to that direction. So I'll take that. Still from here I can do the extrude cut using my sketch. So that's it, it's already there. See, So that is my text. If I put the front like that, then it will show like that. I'm going to show an example, and also from the text you can change the fonts that you're using. So I'm going to undo this. A couple of times. Okay, so I'll select front, then sketch. So this time I'm going to use a simple spline. Say that's my center line. I'll come and say style. I'm going to try to be very fast. Then mirror, about this, say okay. So I can come and extrude. I'll use a mid plane. Yeah, I can maintain the 3 millimeters like that. So what I'm going to do still, I'll come and say reference geometry, plane axis. Sorry, I'm going far a bit. So I want to offset this in the other direction. Oh, sorry. I'll flip the offset. I want it to be 1.5 away, so that it's centered like that. Then okay. So from here I'll come and say sketch. Then having done that, I'll say convert. Then I convert this like that. Then okay. So my convert 80 is basically centered in the heart. So I can come here again and say text. Then here we have the curves. I'll select this and this at the same time. Then I come here and type something, say dog's food, give it some more space, dog's food here. So with that, I have more options. I can flip, I can make it be outside like that, then like that. So from here I can come and say I uncheck the use document font, then I go to my other fonts. So I can choose that, but when you're choosing, make sure that whatever you choose is workable with in SolidWorks or Plasma Cut or any other kind of work that you like to use it for. Otherwise, if you select a complex font, then your work may not come out well. So if you're to mill the piece or to make like a 3D sign using a CNC plasma cutter or router, so you have to be wise enough. Make sure that the font you're using is workable with in terms of manufacturing. Yes, so I can use Casanova, then bold for the units. Let me try 10 and see. So it's saying dog's food here, dog's food here. So I can adjust it a bit. That's too big. So I can set dog's food here. Then I put something like just for me to make use of that space. I put dog's food here, dogs here. See, dog's food here, comma, and dogs here. So I have something like that. You see, 5. So this is basically the size of each letter. Then this is the space from one to the other. So here they become reduced and I can add more letters. See, can have that spaced in that manner. Or there is also this. So this one scatters to make sure that at least the whole workpiece is being utilized by the text. This one will have to, it will change to be writing from the right, it will do the right alignment. Then this one will be the left alignment. So it's showing dog's food here, dogs here, like that. So you can go ahead and adjust depending on what you want. So for now I'm going to leave it at that, just to see what we need to see. Then I'll come and extrude. So however, I'll make sure that the heart that I use, this one here, the spline, I change those two pieces to construction so that they don't interfere with my work. Okay, so I'm going to extrude. Like that. So I'll use mid plane, then say okay. Yeah, so you can have that, say dogs here, then dog's food here. So you can have this plasma cut in sheet metal, or you can have it milled steel, say in wood or any other metal. It can be like a bracelet or anything else for dog lovers. So let me make it normal. Yeah, so that's it. Maybe for the beauty you can also try to add in the materials to see how the whole thing will be. Say if I use, let me use something like let me use nickel close. Also changing the scene, okay, to this. So I'll have something like this. Dog's food here, dogs here, like that in my sheet metal. Then I can have this plasma cut for any client that would like to have it. Yeah, so please subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so that all the videos that I post come straight into your inbox. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Watch out for more videos that are coming. That has been my video for today. Thank you.